Welcome to ShipSafe 2, a practical offline Windows application for shipboard risk assessment and permit-to-work documentation. ShipSafe 2 starts with pre-registered operational content, including 22 risk assessment activities and 10 permit-to-work types. These are not fixed limits. Users can expand and adapt the content according to vessel, company requirements. From the dashboard, users can quickly review registered risk assessment activities and permit-to-work options from one organized place, instead of searching through scattered files and folders. Here, I start creating a new risk assessment. As an example, I choose bunkering operation from the register activities. ShipSafe 2 opens the risk assessment workflow with the selected activity already loaded. The user can carefully review the activity overview, identified hazards, consequences, likelihood, severity, risk level, and standard control measures. In Section 3, additional control measures can be added when the job condition requires extra precautions or further risk reduction. A comment or operational note can also be added for the specific risk assessment. This is useful when the onboard team wants to record job-specific remarks, extra precautions, or any special condition that should be visible in the issued document. After the review is completed, ShipSafe 2 issues the risk assessment and creates a structured output file that can be opened, reviewed, printed, or saved for onboard records. Next, I create a permit to work. In this example, I choose a general permit to work. Other permit to work types are also available, and they include detailed fields and practical safety checklists for different shipboard operations. After the required information is reviewed, ShipSafe 2 issues the permit to work output. The final document is designed for practical onboard use, including clear work details, checklist items, and signature areas. One of the most important parts of ShipSafe 2 is the activity editor. This section allows users to manage reusable safety templates instead of repeatedly building documents from the beginning. Here, I open bunkering operation as an example. Authorized users can review and adjust likelihood and severity values so that the template can better match the company's own safety management system, vessel procedures, and operational risk expectations. When an activity template is updated, ShipSafe 2 asks for revision comments. This helps keep changes more traceable and easier to understand later. The activity editor also protects templates from accidental changes. If the user tries to add or delete hazards without first entering edit mode, the application shows a clear message explaining that edit activity must be selected first. After entering edit mode, a new hazard and consequence can be added. The user can also set likelihood and severity values, and the risk level is updated based on selected values. Same controlled editing behavior applies to standard control measures. ShipSafe 2 reminds a user to enter edit mode before changing the activity template. Once edit mode is active, standard control measures can be added or revised. The activity is then saved with revision comments, helping vessels and companies maintain a clearer history of template changes. Another important section is audit-friendly history. ShipSafe 2 clearly tracks issued documents and shows whether output files are still verified or have been modified after issue. In this demonstration, I intentionally edit an issued permit to work output outside ShipSafe 2, changing the transfer quantity from 150 metric tons to 100 metric tons. When I return the history page, ShipSafe 2 detects that the issued output file no longer matches the original record and shows the document as modified. The history page can also filter records by document type, making it easier to review risk assessments, permits to work, and document integrity status. The Help and Guide section provides practical guidance for users. It includes learning material for risk assessment, getting started information, frequently asked questions, and support guidance. ShipSafe 2 is designed to support existing company SMS procedures. It does not replace company approval, onboard supervision, professional judgment, or official safety management requirements. You can download the free trial and learn more at shipsafeapp.com.